Hey yo, what's up guys, it's me MrGim here and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another exciting unboxing for you guys, which is from a Kickstarter, and this is from Gravgrip. So before we even jump into the actual product itself, how about let's just do a actual unboxing. And first up we have a diagram that stated this is a battery-free gimbal, which I kind of very interested in this project because it is battery free and it's low cost, and it is like a one of a kind stabilizer for your phone or GoPro. And since I'm someone who actually use mobile photography and videography, which I shoot all my video using my iPhone, so I thought this could be a nice add-on to my workflow. I believe some of you might be thinking you should get the DJI Osmo or Ziyun phone gimbal, and it's going to work pretty nicely because there's so many people review about these two top company for gimbal. And I guess when I was browsing Kickstarter, I never think much, and I love interesting project like this, so I just accidentally click it and purchase once again. So first up, once we open up the box, we will see a phone mount, and this is a very tight phone mount, which I don't really like because it will scratch your phone. And inside you will see it is the counterweights and the mount stick by itself, and the weight weighs about 54 grams. So from the video, that is the tool that makes the magic happen. And continue inside, we will see a GoPro mount, followed by we will see the Gravgrip mount itself, and this is the Gravgrip that he have created, and it is very small. It's made out of full plastic, and the branding it's at the side. So as you can see, with these two things together, it can magically make your footage more stabilized. So it's either you go with the top or bottom installation, and it's nice that they actually included a GoPro mount and also the phone mount. So right now I'm just going to fix it quickly and show you guys how to fix it. Alright, so I have my GoPro Hero 5 set up very nicely over here. So as you can see, you can actually mount this very easily. So all you need to do is to get the GoPro adapter, mount straight onto the Gravgrip holder. I will say that is a holder. So I have my Gravgrip mount onto a pole, and this blue thing is actually a locking system. Get the mount, it's either going up downwards or upwards depending on what type of mount you're going, followed by putting on the GoPro mount. Insert your GoPro and lock your GoPro together. So with this setup, it seems like it works quite well for stabilizing. But do remember, this is just a one axis stabilizer, so if you adjust the bottom weight, it will react differently. So if you're doing a time lapse, I think this is a very good creative shot. A time lapse photo. Or you can even mount in a reverse way, which is like this. So not only Gravgrip itself, I also purchased their mount, their extension pole from them. And this box actually looks more decent than the Gravgrip box itself. I must say that this grip actually looks very nice, as it can extend up to 33 inches long, and I believe it's made out of full aluminum. It's lightweight and there is a nice gripping foam at the very bottom. They also included a wrist strap so that you can put it over your wrist, which I think is a nice touch to it. Wow, I'm actually amazed that the screw itself has their branding on it, so it looks really exclusive. Alright guys, I guess this is it for my first impression and unboxing video, and of course I'm gonna do a follow-up video after I have a hang on it, a better understanding of this product before I give a follow-up video. Alright guys, that is it for my video. If you are interested in this video, make sure and slap a like button, subscribe to be my friend, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, thanks, bye!